Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to change your name on Snapchat. Whether you're looking to update your display name or simply want a fresh start, this process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once it's launched, you'll find yourself on the main camera screen. From here, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the gear-shaped settings icon in the top right corner of the profile page and tap on it. This will open up your settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled My Account. Under this section, tap on the option that says Name. This is where you can edit your display name. Once you're in the Name section, you'll see a field with your current display name. Tap on it to make changes, delete the existing name, and type in your desired new name. Take a moment to ensure everything is spelled correctly and looks just right. Finally, after entering your new name, tap the Save button to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your new display name is now updated and will reflect on your profile for others to see. Changing your Snapchat name is a great way to personalize your account and make it uniquely yours. Whether it's a nickname or something more creative, this simple update helps keep your profile fresh and aligned with who you are. Thanks for following along.